Have you ever dreamed of speaking a new language? Maybe you want to travel the world, connect with new cultures, or just impress your friends. Well, what if I told you that you could teach yourself a new language in just 3 months? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, language learning. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to level up your skills, this video will give you a step-by-step plan to learn a new language in 3 months. Let's get started. The first step to learning a new language is setting a clear goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn this language? Is it for travel, work, or just personal growth? Once you know your why, it's easier to stay motivated. Next, set a specific, measurable goal. For example, I want to hold a 10-minute conversation in Persian, or I want to read a short story in Arabic. Having a clear target will keep you focused and on track. Immersion is key to learning a language quickly. Even if you're not in a country where the language is spoken, you can create an immersive environment at home. Here's how. Listen to podcasts in the target language and also read books with translation. Label objects around your house with their names in the new language. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster your brain will start to pick it up. Did you know that learning just 1,000 words can help you understand 80% of everyday conversations? Instead of trying to memorize the entire dictionary, focus on high-frequency words and phrases. These are the words you'll use most often, like hello, thank you, and where is the bathroom? Use flashcards, apps like Anki or Quizlet, or even a notebook to build your vocabulary. Start with the basics and gradually add more words as you go. Here's a common mistake language learners make: waiting too long to start speaking. The truth is, you don't need to be perfect to start practicing. In fact, the sooner you start speaking, the faster you'll improve. Find a language partner online, join a conversation group, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. The goal is to get comfortable making mistakes and learning from them. There are so many amazing tools out there to help you learn a language. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are great for beginners. For more advanced learners, try platforms like Italki or Preply for one-on-one lessons with native speakers. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you. And remember, consistency is key. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Learning a language in 3 months is a big challenge, so it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Keep a journal to track what you've learned, and reward yourself for hitting milestones. Also, don't be afraid to mix things up. If you're feeling bored, try a new app, watch a fun YouTube channel, or cook a recipe in your target language. Keeping things fresh will help you stay motivated. So, are you ready to take on the 3-month language challenge? Remember, the key is to stay consistent, practice every day, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let me know in the comments, what language are you learning, and what's your goal? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on learning new skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.